Hey guys, I'm here and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to use the Polarr app, how to edit, how to import filters, what apps do you need to have, and also I'll be teaching you guys a hack to make yourself look taller. And I know we all want to look taller in pictures, and I'm not sure if everyone knows this now, but I'll still be sharing it to you guys. So if you want to know how I do this, please keep on watching. So the two apps that you need to have in your phone are Pinterest and Polarr. So of course you need to download those apps, but if you're saving up your storage, it's okay because you can still search for photos in pinterest.com in your browser, and you can also still save photos there.
Down, yeah. I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down, yeah? No friends of mine around, yeah. Now I'm thinking I might have caught the June blues. Yeah, I wanna drown myself inside the juice. Yeah, you know I
and it goes a little something like
Yeah. My heart is sad.
This hack that I'll be teaching you guys is very helpful, especially if you want to make yourself look taller, and we all want to make ourselves look taller. So yeah, this is perfect for you guys.
And it goes a little something like
My heart is sad and lonely.
yo.
I have for I have for
So yeah, I can really see the difference that your body, like, it looks taller, your legs, it looks taller, and it also makes your body look more slim. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I hope that you learned through this video. I hope that this video helped you and you'll apply this in your photos. So thank you so much, guys, for watching till the end of this video. Stay tuned for my other videos. Don't forget to like and to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on my next video.